Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of creating a new account on Facebook using your Android device. Whether you want to start fresh or manage multiple accounts, it's easy to do. Let's get started with the updated steps. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you have the latest version for the best experience. Step 2. If you're currently logged into an account, you'll need to log out. Tap the three-line menu icon, usually found at the top right corner. Scroll down the menu and select Log Out. Step 3. Once you're on the login screen, you'll see an option that says Create New Account or Log into another account. Tap that to begin setting up your new profile. Step 4. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to create your new account. You'll need to enter your name, email, or phone number, a secure password, your date of birth, and your gender. Make sure to double-check your information for accuracy. Step 5. Once you've completed the setup, you can easily switch between your accounts. Just log out from the current account and log back in using the credentials of the account you want to access. And that's it. You've successfully created a new Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on navigating social media. Thanks for watching, and enjoy connecting with friends on Facebook.